Welcome back to another video, guys. And yes, I'm not dead. Yes, I'm still alive. I did have COVID, but I'm out of the midst of it, so, I'm not in quarantine right now or anything. Let me know how the quality on this video looks, because I am using my new phone to record it. I do have my actual official camera right here, but every time I try to record it, it says that there's something wrong with the SD card. I might just have to reformat it or use a backup one that I have at the house or something. New phone, which is a OnePlus N10. I'm loving the phone so far. I was a little bit skeptical because I've never used a OnePlus phone and everything, but I'm loving it. I've been watching car vlogs and videos on YouTube and everything. This made me think of when I was a little bit younger, about 3 years ago. There was a kid who worked with me who went and bought a brand new 2017 EcoBoost Mustang. It was brand new, literally sticker price, brand new. Nobody had owned it, only him. And he got the car. He paid around $20,000 for this car. He didn't want to tell me like retail price or anything like that. He just said around $20,000. First week he was, loving, talking everything about the car, talking everything about the car. And then after a week came. And after a week came, it was just constant dog shitting on the car. I was sitting at lunch one time. He came in to speak to me. And, he said, man, my new car, I'm pissed off at it. And I said, why? You know what I mean? Because I'm thinking, oh, shit. Well, I'd be pretty mad, too, if I just bought a new car and something like the clutch went out or some shit. But that's not what the problem was. It did not have the power of a V8 car or anything along those lines. And that, honestly, was what made no sense to me and hasn't made any sense to me. I've watched multiple videos on YouTube of people trashing their cars because they're V6s or something along those lines, and, they set their expectations too high versus reality is what it is. And I just don't understand it. This was a really good car. It had some get up and go to it. It had some stuff. But in his mind, he went from a little 4-cylinder car, and he did get a 4-cylinder again, which was an EcoBoost, which did had some get up and go. Trust me, I rode in it once. However, the problem with that is he was expecting, oh, hey, guess what? I'm going to get this EcoBoost, this 4-cylinder turboed, and it's going to have, like, the sound and power of basically what essentially is like a V12 fucking Audi R8 or something. That's what he was expecting. In reality, no. What it eventually delved down into was after a year, he got rid of it. Wound up selling it after a year, something that was just stupid. And I say stupid because of the fact being that it was a V8, but man, did he fuck himself over. He went from a car that drove every day, that had no technical issues, no mechanical issues, no issues at all, guys, that's still out of warranty on it, that was a brand new car, to a car that had a V8. However, it didn't run every day. It didn't drive every day. He had constant issues and problems with the car. And the fact being that he was essentially told the only way to fix that car would be that he would have had to sit here and replace the entire V8 engine that was in the car. Like, yeah, I understand that the car doesn't work and drive every day or everything like that, and it's not practical in a sense that it should not be a daily driver, because I can't drive it every day, because it doesn't start every day. It has problems, it has issues, it has technical issues. It's caught on fire like once, right? And I had a conversation with him. I said, okay, you got a 2017 EcoBoost Mustang. He said, yeah. And I said, why did you not take that and put that towards a trade-in or, a down payment or something? Or why did you not sell the EcoBoost and then use the money that you got from the EcoBoost as a down payment towards a 5.0 Mustang or something with a V8? I never thought about that. I never knew that. I never looked into that. I never researched it. He was blinded by expectation versus reality. And what's even worse is he could have took his $20,000 and put it as a down payment on a V8 Mustang or any type of V8 that he wanted. He could have put it as a down payment on a Hellcat. Anything that he wanted, he could have done that. He just didn't think about it. He was blinded by expectations versus reality. The expectation was, oh, it's a 2017 Mustang. Oh, it's got a turbo on it. Reality, a 4-cylinder turbo EcoBoost is not going to be able to destroy or even get the sound or performance that a Dodge Hellcat that's 700 horsepower, for an example, will be able to get. Just straight up stock, I mean. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just wanted to cruise around and talk to you guys today. It's a very nice day outside. And, I'll show you guys it's a very nice day. Considering I do have tinted windows. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and listening to me rambling. And if you want to do that, that's fine. And I'll see you guys.